Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Rajkumar Amrutlal Gugde from 3rd year Civil Engineering, Zeel Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. First of all, I am very thankful to our respected HOD sir, Prashant Jadhav sir, and respected Principal sir, Ayub Tamboye sir, for designing this project-based learning program for us. Our topic name is Prepare Report on Basic Methods for Concrete Structures and Chemical Test based on it. Presented by Rajkumar Amrutlal Gugde, Akash Palekar, Sayyam Patil, Anil Khaire, Tanmay More, Pranav Khalate. And this project is done under the guidance of respected sir Ajinkya Bagade sir and respected sir Ankit Agarwal sir. Introduction. As we all know, civil engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with design, construction and maintenance of structure. Concrete structures are usually inhomogeneous, containing a variety of materials including cement, aggregate, pores, plaster, rebars and steel fibers with various thermal properties. Concrete structures are generally expected to provide adequate performance for the entirety of their service life with very little maintenance. However, such expectations are generally not realized due to factors such as concrete degradation, overloading or physical damage. Concrete degradation may have several possible causes such as reinforcement corrosions, chemical damage from chloride or sulfate attack, carbonation, alkali aggregate reaction leading to concrete cracking and spalling, calcium leaching and bacterial corrosion. Let's study about chemical test on concrete structures. What is the importance of chemical test on concrete structures? While making a decision to perform an overhaul of a damaged reinforced concrete structure should be preceded by an analysis of the real durability of that structure after the repair in connection with the anticipated service life. One of the basic problems is the avoidance of further corrosion of concrete and steel after the repair, which depends on the degree of concrete contamination with harmful chemical factors. It is particularly important to determine the content of chloride and sulfate ions which cause corrosion. Concrete pH is equally significant because it conditions effectively passivation of the reinforcement. The paper presents the basic issues related to main chemical threats, including the main sources of the origin as well as their limit values. It emphasizes the importance of conducting the chemical test of concrete. Let's study about what are the different tests on concrete structures are performed. Chemical analysis of concrete can provide extremely useful information regarding the causes of failure of concrete. The tests mostly frequently carried out chemical tests on concrete structures are as follows. First of all, the depth of carbonation, or it is also known as carbonation test. Second one is most important, chloride content test. Third one, cement content. Fourth one, sulfate content. Fourth one, type of cement. And fifth one, alkali content. Let's study about two main tests which are usually performed on concrete structures in laboratories, which are as follows. First one, carbonation test on concrete structures. This test is carried out to determine the depth of concrete affected due to combined attack of atmospheric carbon dioxide and moisture, causing a reduction in level of alkalinity of concrete. A spray of 0.2% solution of phenolphthalein is used as pH indicator of concrete. The change of color of concrete to pink indicates that the concrete is the good health, where no changes in color takes place. It is suggestive of carbonation affected concrete. The test is conducted by drilling a hole on the concrete surface to different depths up to cover concrete thickness, removing dust by air blowing, spraying phenolphthalein. Let's see the second test. But before the second test, let's see the two pictures which we are displayed. First picture indicates the carbonation chamber and second one is actual concrete, accelerated concrete we can say. The second test is chloride content test on concrete structures. Chloride content can be determined from broken samples or core samples of concrete. Primarily, the level of chloride near the steel concrete interface is of prime importance. Chloride present in concrete are fixed as well as free. Through it is the water soluble chloride ions which are important from corrosion risk point of view. Yet total acid soluble chloride contents are determined and compared with limiting values specified for the concrete to assess the risk of corrosion in concrete. The total acid soluble chloride are determined in accordance to with IS 14959 Part 3 2001. We had also displayed one picture of actual test performed instrument, we can say chloride content test. Thanks for watching. Through this project we came to know about various chemical tests performed on concrete structures. I am also once again thank you of our HOD sir and respected principal sir for organizing this project based learning for our students. Thank you sir. Thank you sir.
Seal Education Society, redefining excellence.